It is the most common food on Earth, but feeding millions requires more than a kitchen oven. Welcome to the Mega Bakery, where flour becomes food at lightning speed.
It starts with the basics: flour, water, yeast, and salt. But here, they don't use cups. They use silos holding tons of ingredients, pumped directly into the mixers.
The dough is stressed from all the cutting and rolling. It needs a nap. For 10 minutes, it travels through this warm cabinet to relax the gluten before the final shaping.
To give the bread a good structure, the pieces are rounded. This spinning cone stretches the dough, creating a smooth outer skin that holds the gas inside.
The giant mass is divided into thousands of individual pieces. The machine is so precise that every single loaf weighs exactly the same.
This is where the loaf gets its shape. Rollers flatten the gas out, and curlers roll it tight. Then it's dropped into the pan, ready for the final rise.
Inside this tropical sauna, the yeast goes to work. In about an hour, the dough rises to the top of the pan, becoming airy and light.
For special loaves, a shower of seeds is added. Some are also scored with blades, creating that signature split-top look when baked.
This is the heart of the bakery, a massive tunnel oven. Temperatures reach 450 degrees. As soon as the dough hits the heat, it gets one final burst of growth called oven spring.
Baked to perfection. A vacuum robot gently lifts the hot loaves out of the pans. The smell of fresh bread fills the entire factory.
Patience is key. If sliced now, the bread would be mushy. It travels for miles on this cooling spiral for 60 minutes until the inside temperature is perfect.
The blades move so fast, they become a blur. In a split second, the solid loaf is transformed into 20 perfect, even slices, ready for your toaster.
Air jets blow the bag open, and paddles slide the bread in gently. A color-coded clip seals the freshness and tells you exactly when it was baked.
Freshness is a race against time. Robots stack the crates, and trucks leave before dawn to ensure the bread is on store shelves by the time you wake up.
Simple ingredients, massive engineering. That's the journey of your daily bread. Thanks for watching PCFI Process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty engineering.